क्या वह एक चतुर लड़का है? Is he a clever boy? Is he a clever boy? हाँ, वह एक चतुर लड़का है। Yes, he is a clever boy. Yes, he is a clever boy. नहीं, वह एक चतुर लड़का नहीं है। No, he is not a clever boy. No, he is not a clever boy. क्या वह दुखी है? Is she sad? Is she sad? नहीं, वह दुखी नहीं है। No, she is not sad. No, she is not sad. हाँ, वह दुखी है। Yes, she is sad. Yes, she is sad. क्या आप उसे पसंद करते हैं? Do you like him? Do you like him? हाँ, मुझे वह पसंद है। Yes, I like him. Yes, I like him. नहीं, मुझे वह पसंद नहीं है। No, I don't like him. No, I don't like him. क्या आप बाजार जाते हैं? Do you go to market? Do you go to market? हाँ, मैं बाजार जाता हूँ। Yes, I go to market. Yes, I go to market. नहीं, मैं बाजार नहीं जाता हूँ। No, I don't go to market. No, I don't go to market. क्या तुमने विघ्नेश से लड़ाई की? Did you fight with Vignesh? Did you fight with Vignesh? हाँ, मैंने विघ्नेश से लड़ाई की थी। Yes, I fought with Vignesh. Yes, I fought with Vignesh. नहीं, मैंने विघ्नेश से लड़ाई नहीं की। No, I didn't fight with Vignesh. No, I didn't fight with Vignesh. क्या आपने अपनी कार बेच दी? Did you sell your car? Did you sell your car? हाँ, मैंने अपनी कार बेच दी। Yes, I sold my car. Yes, I sold my car. नहीं, मैंने अपनी कार नहीं बेची। No, I didn't sell my car. No, I didn't sell my car. क्या वह उपन्यास पढ़ रहा था? Was he reading the novel? Was he reading the novel? हाँ, वह उपन्यास पढ़ रहा था। Yes, he was reading the novel. Yes, he was reading the novel. नहीं, वह उपन्यास नहीं पढ़ रहा था. No, he was not reading the novel. No, he was not reading the novel. क्या वह तुम्हारा इंतजार कर रही थी? Was she waiting for you? Was she waiting for you? हाँ, वह तुम्हारा इंतजार कर रही थी. Yes, she was waiting for you. Yes, she was waiting for you. नहीं, वह तुम्हारा इंतजार नहीं कर रही थी. No, she was not waiting for you. No, she was not waiting for you. क्या तुम खुश हो? Are you happy? Are you happy? हाँ, मैं खुश हूँ. Yes, I am happy. Yes, I am happy. नहीं, मैं खुश नहीं हूँ. No, I am not happy. No, I am not happy. क्या वे खुश हैं? Are they happy? Are they happy? हाँ, वे खुश हैं. Yes, they are happy. Yes, they are happy. नहीं, वे खुश नहीं हैं. No, they are not happy. No, they are not happy. क्या मैं आपके साथ आऊं? Shall I come with you? Shall I come with you? हाँ, तुम मेरे साथ आओगे. Yes, you shall come with me. Yes, you shall come with me. नहीं, तुम मेरे साथ नहीं आओगे. No, you shall not come with me. No, you shall not come with me. कहाँ चली गई आप? Where have you gone? Where have you gone? मैं मंदिर चली गई थी. I had gone to the temple. I had gone to the temple. वह कहाँ जा रहा था? Where was he going? Where was he going? वह स्कूल जा रहा था. He was going to school. He was going to school. वह कहाँ से आता है? Where does he come from? Where does he come from? वह जयपुर से आता है. He comes from Jaipur. He comes from Jaipur. वह कहाँ से आया? Where did he come from? Where did he come from? आप कहाँ जा रहे हैं? Where are you going? Where are you going? मैं सिनेमा जा रहा हूँ। I am going to cinema. I am going to cinema. आप किससे मिलना चाहते हैं? Whom do you want to meet? Whom do you want to meet? मैं श्री अशोक से मिलना चाहता हूँ। I want to meet Mr. Ashok. I want to meet Mr. Ashok. राहुल किसकी शर्ट पहनता है? Whose shirt does Rahul wear? Whose shirt does Rahul wear? राहुल ने अपने दोस्त की शर्ट पहन ली। Rahul wear his friend's shirt. Rahul wear his friend's shirt. वह कितने पृष्ठ लिख सकता है? How many page can he write? How many page can he write? वह 10 पृष्ठ लिख सकता है। He can write 10 pages. He can write 10 pages. उसने तुम्हें फोन क्यों किया? Why did he call you? Why did he call you? उसने मुझे फोन करके जन्मदिन मुबारक कहा। He called me to tell happy birthday. He called me to tell happy birthday.